Good morning, everybody. So it is unbagging time. Unbagging. This is from Fansells. I had to order from Fansells. I've been watching everybody else get cool stuff from them, so I had to try them. I do know this much, that Fansells is started by a person who used to be with CES Deals and has decided to start their own company. This is through, I think it's through Britain. You have to do something when you go to the site to get everything in American dollars and stuff. And I don't remember that. I don't remember, sorry. But I know you can do it. I think this is only part of my order, though. I think there's one piece that's still not here. I ordered two 5 panels. And it says in my order there's still something coming, and it's one of the 5 panels. I don't know when that's coming. I don't know how to track it even. I don't know when they ship it. I don't know. So I guess I just hold out, but I don't think it's in here. Anyhow, we're going to do a few things here. I did undo it. I cut it because, you know, it's kind of a pain to get into. So let's see what is in here. That is big. My guess is that is a 5 panel right there. Oh, this is not in a white bag. Okay. White bag. White bag. And another white bag. That one's kind of fat. All right. So that's what we got. And this is clearly a 5 panel. I'm going to set that aside. And as you can tell, I don't think the other 5 panel is here. So there we go. All right. Let's start with the one that's not in a white bag. How's that? We'll start with that one. One of these I saw, oh, come on, Margie, who does her shopping on eBay, and she found a picture on eBay. This might be it. And, you know, when she gets her stuff on eBay, she's like, I can't really link it because, she goes auctions and blah, 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 and whatnot. Anyhow, I was looking on this site, Fansells, and I was like, oh, there's that painting. So I think they're pretty much going to give you a basic toolkit. There's a couple baggies, plain pink pen, you know, just basic stuff to diamond paint. It's really what you need. This one's poured glue clearly because it's clear cover. This one's special drills. There's our rhinestones and other goodies. So I'm rolling this backwards because there's some pretty colors in there. Yeah, we'll look at those in a minute. All right, let's see if this is the one I think it is. It might not be because I ordered a couple that are similar. Let's see what one this is. Yep, there we go. That's the one. That's the one that she found on eBay. Look at the birds. Oh my goodness, look at the birds. And the flowers. Okay, so we have cone flowers down here. You know me, I know flowers, right? Okay, cone flowers. And then these are foxglove. And I believe these are a delphinium up here. Then we have our cardinal, our goldfinch. That's a bluebird and a blue jay. Isn't that pretty? All the birds and all the flowers. Everything. I love birds and flowers. So pretty. Since these do come like folded, rolled, they have a few creases in them and stuff, but they flatten out really nicely if you just put them like under your mattress. I've started doing that. I thought at first, oh, that's dumb. I'm not going to try to put them underneath a mattress. But you know what? It actually works. It really does. Ooh, you know what? I just thought of something. I'm going to try something. My friend Cheryl sent me. She sent me this when she sent me the painting I bought from her. Yeah, let's try it. Ooh, yeah, let's try it. Oh, look how nice that works. Wow, look at that. Looky there. I love it. Works great. Thanks, Cheryl. Works awesome. So first of all, get your plastic flat, you know, get it all flattened out, and then throw it under your mattress, because you don't want to throw it under there all crinkly. Throw it under your mattress, and let your mattress just flatten out those folds. They're not hard creases, they're just some fold lines. Look at that. And they'll come right out. It's already a bit flatter just by flattening out the plastic. So pretty. I love it. All right, so what kind of drills do we get to make all those beautiful colors pop out? Let's see. This one says it's a 40 by 50. I actually have my tape measure. I was going to measure. I'm certain it's not a 40 by 50. My guess is, what, 35 by 45? Like take 5 off each way? Let's see. Well, that's inches. That's not going to help me out. 34. Okay, so it's 6 short. 34, 44. Okay, so it's 6 centimeters short on either side. All right. I didn't figure it would be 40 by 50. So it looks like these all come attached. Yep, all attached. Let's show you the beautiful colors that are going to go on this. Really pretty gold. Lovely purple. Love that. That's just some black drills. An orange. A blue. Super pretty blue. It's much more aqua blue in real life. Green. Pink. Red. And we get a bunch of white pearl, AB pearls. Gold circles, large white pearls, blue, these are smooth, these are gorgeous, these are marquee and they're cut, beautiful, some green, and look at these golds, those are pretty, there's a honk right there, that's actual cylinder, but aren't those pretty? Gold, wow. So there's our colors for that one, you guys. That will be beautiful. Thank you, Margie. Just thank you, Margie. Yeah, I found it on Fansells. Yay! All right, let's see. Let's do this one. It's kind of fat. I feel like doing a fat one. I don't know why. Just let's do a fat one. We can get it open. These packages, I'm telling you, there's something about these white packages. The glue they use, it's like you are not supposed to get these things open. So we'll cut it. Let's cut it. Okay, what's in here? Oh, I'm not going to show you that one. I know what that is. I don't want to show that one. Not yet. That one's a present. That's a present. I don't want to show it. All right. Let's go to these. Yeah, sometimes, you know, things happen. All right. What do we have in here? Okay. Let's see. Another special drill. Oh, yeah. This is cute. This is small. This is small. There's not a whole lot to this one. It'll be quick and easy. Let's roll it. This one's very, very thick. This canvas is very thick. Just not thick, but coarse. You know that real. Anyhow. There's our toolkit. Same basic toolkit. All right. Let's see what this one looks like. Like I said, this one's pretty simple. Pretty simple. It's small. It's simple. It's cute. But it's flowers again. Surprise, 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 right? Yep, it has 12 different symbols. See, this is, you know, there's not much to do on that one. There really isn't. Let's see what we have to put on it. Same purple packaging. I'll tell you that. Oh, some stuff fell. So some separate. Okay. Pretty much the same colors. Look at gold, blue, a lighter blue. You get like a coneflower blue here. 2 greens, a pink, a red. Oh, these are super pretty. These are aqua. They're showing up blue on my viewfinder, but they're an aqua turquoisey color. They're gorgeous. This orange, got a lot of these now, and red. I think I can use these on that owl that I didn't get the drills for. Ooh, somebody sent me a picture of that, you guys. And so I know what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, I think there's some of these on that. Hopefully I'll have some extras. I'm still going to try to make that owl. And then we have some gold balls, half ball, and then some white faceted, clear, which picks up, you know, all the colors. So that's a simple one. It's little. It's small, it's quick, it's easy. All right, I forget what this one is. Oh no, I know what this is. This one I don't believe is a special drill. It could be a partial. I don't know how it's gonna turn out at all. I loved this image. This one was a total crapshoot, if you know what I mean by a crapshoot. I took my chances on this one. Nope, it's full drill. It's not partial. All right, it's small. The detail, I didn't know if it would turn out, but we'll see. I've seen this on a few different sites. Okay, so before I show you what it is, look, here's the drill field. It looks clear, super clear, right? It looks really good. The drill field looks awesome. I see a bunch of letters, don't you? I don't see anything confusing. I don't see anything really blurry. Oh, I like it. I like it so far. Even look at the U and the M. They're both green, but okay. It's got 27 colors. That's good. Here's our basic toolkit. Here's our drills. Ooh, they come in the silver packaging with DMC codes. And there are DMC codes on the canvas. Yay! All right, and they appear to be mostly letters and a couple of symbols. All right, here it is, guys. I have high hopes for this. Look at it. It's pretty. What do you see? Now, there's a lot going on there, I know. But it's got that beautiful flower, a dahlia, probably. And then look, what's this? I can tell what that is. Can you tell? It's like a car, right? Like an old car. Leaning Tower of Pisa, right? Okay, here's a license plate. And I'm not certain what's supposed to be up in the corner up here. I'm not certain what that's supposed to be. Or if it even matters. Maybe it's a steering wheel. I don't know what it is, but it's car related, right? Probably. Because there's a license plate in a car. It's beautiful. Look at the pinks in that flower. Look at them. They had a couple similar to this. Different flower, different background. I hope this turns out. I really like it. I think it might. I think it'll be good. I wasn't certain. Like I said, this one was a complete, like, shot in the dark. Like, it's either going to be really crappy. Look at, you can read the license plate even. Look, G7R, right? And this car, old-timey car. I think I like it. I think it's going to be okay. Let's see what the colors in here. I love this packaging. The silver strip. And it tells you your DMC code, 152, 310. I love this packaging. All right, let's see what we got. You want to see them this way? You can see the numbers. That's a peach. That's all of our black. Gray. Little bit of a red. There's a whole bunch of greens. I saw that. A green, another green. That's a pretty blue. 597. That's a pretty blue. 598. Brother, sister. Red. Pink. There we're getting into some flower colors here. Flowers. Another pink. Another flower color. Gray with a pink. A taupe. Tan. Brown. Oh, that's pretty. Ah, that's got to be in the flower. And that one. And then we got another little packet here. That's a brown. Really light pinky lilac color. Yes, I say lilac, not lilac. Tan. Pink. That's a teal. And a brown. I think this will turn out. They're round drills, as you saw. I think that will turn out. I think it will be great. So I'm happy with that one. I really am. I think there's another one that had like a purple flower and some other, background, but there's what I got. All right. That's the first set, okay? Then I got that 5-panel and another 5-panel coming, and then the present, the gift. So they're really nice. I'm impressed so far. I knew this would be really simple, and I'm thrilled with this one. Margie showed me this, and I was just like, oh. I think all those little white ABs go on the white picket fence. Yes. It's going to be so pretty. All right. That's it for now. I'm going to let you go and clean up all this stuff. And I'm probably going to make a video of the present, the gift, separate, and I'll show you when it's done. All right. Thanks for watching. Check out Fansells, you guys. They have lots of stuff. They were sold out of some things, but they're getting more and more stuff apparently, so check them out. Hopefully I get my other 5-panel pretty soon. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.